Pepper wants to pull a shooter from our unit for some special op. Anyway, he's up there in observation. Alright, try switching to your rifle. Good, now switch to your sidearm. See how fast that was? Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading. Well, smile for the cameras and don't miss. Shepard's gonna be watching. Best shooter gets to join the Prima Donna squad. If that's your thing. Okay, head on in. Timer starts as soon as the first target pops. Not bad. Looks like you're getting a little sloppy though. Okay, head upstairs and regroup with the team when you go back in.